Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of CrossFit Classics. We are back here on Blake's 86 S10 project. Our last video we talked about the dash cap, showed you how to put the dash cap on, and since then Blake has got some more stuff done, more progress on this thing. He got the whole cab buffed out, wet sanded here, cut it, and buffed it. Got a real nice shine to it. Pardon some of the dirt and dust on it there, but you can see this thing is pretty much like glass. And I want to mention too, I think I mentioned when we painted this here that this is a single stage urethane. Pretty sure it's urethane. It's PPG Essentials, Delfleet Essentials. It has an activator and a hardener in it, so it's kind of a three-part paint. Cover's real nice. I mean, almost one coat's all you need. There's two, almost three coats in places on this thing. But cut and buffed real nice. He hit it with 2000 and it come out real quick with the buffer. So since then he's got that done, and you can see here we got the weather stripping in. I want to give a shout out to Precision Weather Stripping. I used this weather stripping on the square body. Crew cab we did it, and this was my first choice for this truck, and stuff worked real nice. It looks just great, fit real nice. A little tough to put in, but I don't think that's Precision's fault. I think that's just the way GM designed it. Putting in the tracks. This piece went on real nice. These pieces here, this piece went in good, but getting the old stainless steel track out and getting it reinstalled was a bit of a challenge, but we got it done. You can see here we've got the insulation stuff back in the doors. This door is pretty much complete except for the latch here. There's Blake over there. Hi, Blake. That door over there, we just got the window put in. Got that done. And a few odds and ends here. But today's project is going to be the rear window. He wanted to keep the rear slider. This truck had a slider from the factory. And also too had a set of these factory door edge guards. Kind of cool. Nice stainless steel. So Blake's over here working on the window gasket, getting that on. So I'm gonna give him a hand with this here. We gotta kind of pull this in place. We're gonna get a little bit of soap too to help us put this in. Now he did clean up and put a nice coat of trim black on this too to freshen it up. So we're gonna get this on. I'm gonna hold the window for him while he pulls. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Okay. So we're gonna flip this over here now. And I got some string for this. It's a little nylon string here. We got some of this here. We're gonna put this in the window channel, and that'll help us get the gasket in place here. All right, guys, so we got our rope in here. We left a little bit of an overlap here so we can pull it, and then we're going to spray it down with some wax and grease remover to help lube up the gasket. So Blake has the wax and grease remover right there, so we're going to just spray it real quick. There you go. Beautiful. So Blake's going to get in the cab now, and I'm going to get the window in place. Actually, Blake, here, hang on. So I'm gonna get in the cab, and Blake's gonna get the window here, and he's gonna make sure the rope don't fall out. Here, so here, hand it to me here, guy. And we're gonna get our bottom in. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Get his bottom in there. You know, we messed up. We should put the rope in the other way.
You mean?
Yeah, here, take it back out. I did this wrong. Take it back out. All right, guys. I want to mention here that I had the rope in the wrong way. I wasn't paying attention, so got a rope in here now, and we're going to put it back in. And then Blake is going to push on the window. He's going to hold it in place here as I pull the rope around. That's good there, guy. Just
I need to get my corner in.
yeah, there you go. He got his corner in place, and he's going to come over here on this side as I pull the rope.
I'm gonna pull the rope, or you're gonna?
I'm going to pull the rope.
All right. I'm keeping pressure on as we want to
Keep pressure on.
All right.
And I'm going to pull the rope here, and we're going to put this window right in here. So. Get the wax grease over here. We might need to get our hooky piggy tool to help aid in this. Boomstick. Spray our wax and grease remover here a little bit, helping things up. They come over here, Blake, on this side.
The window's kind of like want to fall
Okay,
out.
okay, I got it here, go ahead. Just kind of span both sides there.
Yeah, no problem.
There you go. There you go. I'll push in as I pull here, okay? Push.
Yeah, I'm pushing.
Okay, then we're gonna go to the other side here now. Hang on. Go to the other side. I want to work it back and forth. As Blake keeps pressure on it.
I'm keeping pressure.
Push in there, guy.
I'm pushing.
Okay. Push. I'm kind of coming down here.
I need a whole bunch.
Okay, so the window's sitting up a little high, so I want to just kind of pull it down. Come over here and push the link. Pushing.
Oh, I'm pushing, all right.
Hang on, let me get some more spray. Beautiful. That kind of cool that works. Mm-hmm. Pulling the strings a little bit there. Looks good, yeah. All right, guys, so we got this in without a hitch. We got to do a little couple things here. The weather stripping kind of stuck up under there, so we got to take our boomstick here. Kind of got pinched. There we go. But fit real nice, went good, and it didn't break, so that's always a good sign. That insider looks pretty good. Got a little pucker here we gotta work on there, but looks good and it functions. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys, of our rear window installation. You know, one person can do this, but it's so much easier with two people. It just makes it easier. Yeah, we can keep one person pushing. Bless you, Blake. You can keep one person pushing while the other one's pulling the string and working the inside. But anyway, guys, as always, Blake and I appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting below. We'll catch you later. Thanks.